Hello everyone, let's continue with the basic of theory of computation, and in that one we'll discuss about the prefix and suffix. Let's see. W equal to it is a B. Okay, this one is a string given, this one is the string given, then find the prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix for given string. Prefix and suffix for given string. Yes, try to find out. Yes, did you get prefix and suffix? Okay, it is null, B, and so on. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so let's see the prefix of this one. So before this one it can be null, so we can say for prefix we'll start from left hand side and we'll see the 0 length string, 1 length string, 2 length string, and so on. So here 0 length string, that is null. After that 1 length string, that is b, and after that it can be double bb. After that it is bba. Yeah, that may be right. So bba. After that it is bbab, bbab, and after that it is bbaba, bbaba. Okay, so finally this is what the prefix. For suffix, here can be null, right? So 0 length, from right hand side we'll see the 0 length, 1 length string, 2 length string, right? So it can be null. After that it can be a. After that it can be ba. Okay, string को reverse नहीं करना है. It can be ba. After that it can be aba, A B A. Okay, after that it can be it is a B A B A B A B A, and after that it is a B A B A, and this whole string that B A B A. Okay, so finally this is what the prefix and suffix. Now let's see. Here number of prefix are, it is a 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So number of prefix are 6. So we can say here length of this W is what, it is B B A and B A. Okay, so length of this one is nothing but 1 2 3 4 4 5. So here it is 5. If length of string is 5, then prefix are 6. Prefix are 6. 6. How it is 6? It is 5 plus 1. Okay, then if length of a string that is equal to n, then number of prefix are, it is n plus 1. Okay, so number of prefix that are n plus 1. Next thing, what about suffix? Here length of this one is 5, then suffix are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so 6 means it is 5 plus 1 again, so here it is 6. So how it is 6? If length of this one is 5, then it is 5 plus 1 6. So length of W equal to n, then here also it is n plus 1 number of suffix possible. ओके, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, अगर लेंथ स्ट्रिंग की क्या है, स्ट्रिंग की लेंथ n है, तो वहाँ पे प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स की लेंथ, प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स कितने बनेंगे, दैट विल बी n plus 1. So is it clear till this part? Yes, what about others? Okay, fine. So let's see the next thing. Next thing, that is a concatenation of string. Concatenation of string. So concatenation that is represented by dot. Okay, concatenation that is represented by dot. And what is the concatenation of two string? Let me say string s1 and there is a string s2, then we'll put a dot in between these two, then it is what, concatenation of two string. Let me take a string s1. Here string s1 is ab, and let me take string s2 that is b c a, assume. Okay, so it is b c and a. Then what will be the concatenation of s1 and s2? So s1 concatenation s2 is nothing but a, will do the concatenation of string. So here it is ab concatenation B C A. Finally it become A B B C A. This is what the concatenation of two string, right? This is what the concatenation of two string. Then what will be the concatenation of S2 concatenation S2 concatenation S1? बताना जरा. What will be the concatenation S2 concatenation S1? Okay, BCA AB. Yeah, right. So concatenation for this one is nothing but a, firstly we'll take this one BCA, BCA concatenate AB. So here it is AB. Finally it become BCA, and after that AB. So this is what the concatenation. So here we can say S1 concatenation S2, that is not equal to S2 concatenation S1. Okay, S2 concatenation S1. As you can as you can see here, it is S1 concatenation S2, and here it is S2 concatenation S1, and they both are not equal. Okay, so here we can say S1 concatenation S2, that is not equal to S2 concatenation S1. Is it clear till this part? Clear. Okay, is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Okay, another thing, if it is a null concatenation W is a string, right? Then we can say it is W concatenation null also, and which is equal to W, which is equal to W. So here we can say that null is a behaving like identity. ठीक है, तो null क्या काम कर रहा है? Null is behaving like identity. Okay, so here it is behaving like identity का काम कर रहा है. Now we'll see the some of the properties of concatenation. Some of properties, some of properties of concatenation. Okay, so some of properties of concatenation. So first one, we can say, if it is a U, V and W, these are three string, U, V and W are three string, then we can say it is a U concatenation V, after that concatenation with W. Okay, after that concatenation with W, that is equal to U, and firstly we'll do the concatenation of this one U, after that it is V and W. Okay, so we can say firstly we'll do the concatenation of this one V and W, and after that we are concatenating with this one. Okay, so this one is equal to this one, that firstly you do the concatenation of these two, after that concatenate with W, right? It means that concatenation satisfy the property of associativity, right? So it is a holding associative property. Associative. Okay, next thing we can say u v u v and w, that belongs to sigma star. UVW that belongs to sigma star, then we can say sigma star have the left and right concatenation cancellation, we can say. Okay, so sigma star that is having left and right cancellation, left and right cancellation. So what is a left and a right cancellation? Let's see. So we can say if it is a W concatenating U, that is equal to W concatenating V, then we can say here we can apply the left cancellation. So this left string and this left string, that we can cancel. ठीक है, इन दोनों को क्या किया जा सकता है? We can cancel out, and finally it becomes U equal to V. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब लेफ्ट स्ट्रिंग को क्या किया जा सकता है? कैंसिल किया जा सकता है इस लेफ्ट स्ट्रिंग के साथ. सो दिस इज व्हाट द लेफ्ट कैंसलेशन. नेक्स्ट Next thing, if it is u concatenation w which is equal to v concatenation w, then we can do that right cancellation also, right? So we can do right cancellation, then also it is u equal to v. Okay, so is it clear? Left cancellation and right cancellation. Clear. What about others? Okay, fine. Now let's see the next thing. Next thing we can say, for u and v, for u and v that belongs to sigma star, for u and v that belongs to sigma star, for u and b that belongs to sigma star, just a minute, yes, that belongs to sigma star, then we can say length of a length of uv is equal to length of a individually u plus length of individual v. Okay, so this is what the uh, next property. So in case of concatenation, we can say if we concatenate these two string and we take the length of this one, that is equal to length of u plus length of v. Let's see the example. If we can say u equal to ab and v that is equal to ba, then we can say u concatenation v, u concatenation v is nothing but ab concatenation ba, that is equal to a b b a, and if we take the length of this one, then we can say length of this one which is equal to 4. Okay, which is equal to 4, and we can say this one, if we left hand side हमने देख लिया. Now we'll check for this one, length of u plus length of v. So length of u is it is a length of this one which is equal to 2, and length of v is nothing but this one, means it is again 2, and finally we can say length of u plus length of v, that is equal to ये वाली 2 है और ये भी क्या है 2 है, it means it is equal to 4. So length of this one is 4. So left hand side and right hand side, they both are equal. So finally we can say that concatenation hold this property also. Yes, is it clear till this part? Is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Now let's see the next thing. So now we'll see the power of a string. Power of a string. Power of string. So what will be the power of string? So power of string, we can say, let a w is a string. W is a string. Let a w is a string. Then w power n is the repetition of w, is a repetition of w, it is a repetition of w repetition of w for n time, right? Repetition of w for n time. ठीक है, अगर w कोई स्ट्रिंग है और वी कैन से w पावर n, देन w पावर n का मतलब क्या हुआ कि स्ट्रिंग w को क्या कर रहे हैं, n टाइम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. if w equal to abc, w equal to abc, then we can say w power 0, w power 0. So here, just a minute. Yes, w power 0, then w power 0 is nothing but it is null, right? Lambda. Next, w power 1, w power 1 means abc itself. W power 2, w power 2 is nothing but w concatenation w, right? So it is nothing but w concatenation w. So we can say here w is abc, abc concatenation abc. So finally it is abc, abc. Then what is a w power 3? W power 3 means w power 2 concatenating with w, or we can say w then w power 2, and that is equal to w concatenating w and concatenating w. Okay, so finally we can say it is a b c concatenating a b c concatenating a b c, and that is equal to a b c a b c a b c, and so on, right? So we can say it is w power n times. ठीक है, तो टिल द एंड टाइम सेम थिंग विल हैपन। तो इसका मतलब क्या होंगी, स्ट्रिंग्स क्या होंगी, रिपीट होती जाएंगी, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग, if it is a b c, its power is 3, assume its power is 3, abc power is 3, then we can say it is a b c, repeating abc 3 time, one time, then it is a b c 2 time, then it is a b c 3 times, right? Then can we say it is equal to, it is equal to a power 3, b power 3, c power 3? Yes, tell me, they both are equal or not? Yes, they both are not equal. Why? Because meaning of this one is nothing but a, it is a power 3, a power 3 means repeat a 3 times, so it is a. B power 3 means repeat b 3 times, so b. This c power 3 means repeat c 3 times, so c and c. So finally they both are not equal. Okay, so abc power 3, that is not equal to individually a power 3, b power 3 and c power 3. Okay, so they both are not equal. Okay, so is it clear till this part? Clear. Okay, what about others? Okay, good. Now let's see the next thing, that is language. Next thing is language. Let's understand language. What is a language in case of theory of computation? Okay, so language we can say, let a, let a sigma be the alphabet, be the alphabet, sigma be the alphabet, then then sigma star, then sigma star be the set of all string, be the set of all string, set of all string over over the alphabet, over the alphabet, yes, over the alphabet, right? Let a, let sigma be the alphabet over alphabet, then sigma star be the set of all string over the alphabet, right? Alphabet कुछ भी हो सकता है, that may be 0 1, or it can be AB, or it can be ABC and all, right? So this one, then we can say a substring, a a subset of sigma star is called a language. Then we can say a subset of a subset of a subset of a sigma star is called a language, called a language over the alphabet sigma, over the alphabet sigma, okay, over the alphabet sigma. And language that is represented by L, language that is represented by L. And finally we can say that a language is subset of sigma star, language is subset of sigma स्टार, ओके। तो लैंग्वेज क्या है, सिंपली ये बोल सकते हैं कि लैंग्वेज क्या है, लैंग्वेज इज द सबसेट ऑफ सिग्मा स्टार। ये जस्ट डेफिनेशन है, अगर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग करें तो यहाँ पे क्या होगी, लैंग्वेज इज नथिंग बट इट इज ए सबसेट ऑफ सिग्मा स्टार। सिग्मा स्टार क्या होता है, लेट्स सी, वी नो दैट इफ अल्फाबेट इज ए कोमा बी, then what will be the sigma star? Sigma star means all set of all string of a all lengths, right? So zero length की string क्या बनेगी, that is null. One length में a and b, two length में it is a b b, और it is a b b b a b, right? After that three length string, it is triple a, then triple a b, and so on. After that four length string, 5, and so on, okay? So this is what the sigma star. So as we have seen in definition that a language is subset of sigma star, so here we can say language equal to null. Yes, null is a language because it is subset of sigma star. After that language L1 we can say a comma b, this is also a language, okay. After that L2 we can say it is a null a comma b comma a b b, or it is ab ba, this is also a language, right? And language 3 assume it is AA, BB, triple A. This is also a language because it is subset of sigma star. And entire sigma star means this one. This is also a subset. So we can say that is also a language. That is also a language. Yes. Is it clear till this part? Okay. Okay. After that we can say language equal to this one, a power n b power n, such that n is greater than equal to 0. This is also a language. This is also a language. It is a set of all string, it is set of all string where a followed by b, right? और it can be of n length, 0 लेंथ की हो सकती है, 1 लेंथ, 2 लेंथ, एंड सो ऑन n लेंथ, ठीक है? a फॉलोड बाय b, जितने a होंगे उतने ही क्या होंगे, b होंगे। जैसे कि यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है, 0 लेंथ स्ट्रिंग की बात करें, दैट कैन बी नल। उसके बाद क्या हो सकता है, ए बी। उसके बाद क्या हो सकता है, डबल ए डबल बी, एंड ट्रिपल ए ट्रिपल बी, एंड सो ऑन। इस टाइप की लैंग्वेज होगी ये, ठीक है? ये वाली लैंग्वेज की स्ट्रिंग क्या क्या बनेगी, नल, A B, double A, double B, triple A, triple B, and so on, right? So all these are the examples of लैंग्वेज। ठीक है, तो ये सारे क्या है, एग्जाम्पल हैं। और ये सारे के सारे क्या है, सबसेट हैं किसके, सिग्मा स्टार के। दे ऑल आर द सबसेट ऑफ सिग्मा स्टार। सो फाइनली वी कैन से व्हाट इज द लैंग्वेज, लैंग्वेज इज ए सबसेट ऑफ सिग्मा स्टार। लैंग्वेज क्या है, सिग्मा स्टार का सबसेट। ओके, सो इज इट क्लियर टिल दिस पार्ट? यस, व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? Okay, fine.